Namaskar. We love moving towards our goals, getting closer to what we want in life. And that's a great feeling. That's really exciting. But very often, while we are getting towards our goals, we begin to get stressed. And slowly, the stress grows till one fine day it makes us completely lose track of our goals. We begin to focus only on the problems and challenges between us and our goals. And all this leads to more stress. You see, a little bit of stress is good in life. For instance, if child has no worries about his grades or his exams, he would not put any effort to study. Similarly, a little bit of stress will keep you charged. My trick is, if your stress makes you motivated to better, then it is a good stress. If it makes you scared and worried about goals, then it's bad stress. You need to start learning how to achieve your goals without getting stressed. So let us understand this fact. First, don't be too hard on yourself for slip-ups. So understand that nothing in life is so simple like a straight highway from point A to point B. Sometimes you face a series of zigzag curves, U-turns, detours, and some outright change of tracks. What I mean is that you will have many slip-ups as you work towards your goals. If you get too worried about these or stressed, then you really begin to go off track. Make mistakes, but don't get stressed about your mistakes. Do this, and your stress will automatically reduce, and you will begin to enjoy the journey of your goals. Second point, set achievable goals. See, there is an old proverb that even a thief takes 10 years to learn its trade. So if you think you will invest in stock market or start a new business or write a book and become a millionaire overnight, you are badly mistaken. You have to set goals for yourself that you can actually achieve in the time you have set. You have to train yourself for the right action at a right time. If you think you can make few crores in couple of months and you don't hit that goal, you will get stressed. Then you will get more stress and more stress and more stressed. Ask yourself, what will really happen if you make those crores in the next 6 months or maybe next year? The answer would be nothing. Ask yourself this question about anything that you get stressed about. The answer most of the time will be nothing. So, learn to work towards your goals with a sense of ease and calm. Remember, there is no time bomb that will explode if you don't. Third point. And finally, don't get into mental loop of what if. Most of our stress comes when we begin to think, what if I had done that thing at that time? What if I had not done that at that time? See, understand, you did your best at that time, and that time is now past and you can't do anything about it. So, stop overloading yourself with stress about what if I had done this or about what if that had happened. Simply do what is to be done right now. And if that means starting again, start again. You will get ahead really fast because this time you are not starting from zero. You are starting from experience. Namaskar.